layers in it. It has all this great movement because we cut the layers. Ready? So you guys can see some of these layers in here now. And once again, this is wig number 470. Okay, and now we're going to just wet down one side so you can see the difference and the two different ways you can style this hair. You can either wear it fluffy and fluffed out like this, or you can wear it more defined and maintained. So I'm just going to wet one side down here. Also, another great thing about our hydrating curl definer and amplifier is you can add as much or as little as you want. I always recommend with starting out with a, like for this size bottle, I would start out with like a grape size amount and fill the bottle with water and then just shake it and mix it together. And then you decide from there if you like that type of hold or if you want more of a medium hold as opposed to a light hold. And then you simply just add more product. So you want to really, really wet this down here. And the thing with hydrating curly hair is to make sure that you hydrate the ends. I always have to go back in and hydrate those ends. And you want to hydrate the nape of the curly hair. It's very important that you thoroughly wet all of the hair down so that way when it dries nice and evenly. I know this angle is crazy. Let me show you guys this way. So I'm just wetting this side down. Now I'm gonna brush it through. I know it needs more water, but I want you guys to see what this looks like so far. Let me hold her here. And you see when we wet it, the color gets a little bit darker, but that's just because it's wet. The color does not actually change there. And you see how these colors are flawlessly blending? This is wig number 470. 570. And I don't know why I made that noise, sorry. But yeah, so this is how this looks here. And so this side is thoroughly wet down here. So you see this beautiful curl pattern here. And you see, because we cut those nice layers,
how they fall in.
it's gonna fall really nice and natural and not give you that curly wig look. This is gonna give you, is she Beyonce? Is that Beyonce over there?
You see.
I told you how those, I'll tell you what happened on the cruise. When I did have this hair on, some people did mistake me for a celebrity that in America, they would be like, no, she does not look like her. But so this is the texture dry. And then this, so this is what it looks like dry. And then this side is what it looks like wet. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Looks good.
This is the dry side over here. And then this is the wet side over here that we hydrated with the hydrating curl definer and amplifier from Magic Hair Company. Check us out at magichaircompany.com. We're located here in Culver City. We are your glueless, full lace, and front lace wig maker located here in Culver